Hello everyone, welcome to our Soul Tarot prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One important thing, guys, is that this is the reading for the month of February 2021, and this is a general reading. And if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to donate, the details are given in the description box below. And yeah, let's check it out what's going on with you guys in the month of February. This is the reading for the zodiac sign Taurus. Okay. So what are you going currently in the month of February? What are you going through currently in the month of February, Taurus? What are you going through currently? Oh my god, cards are flip-flopping. Energy is very much. Okay, so you are no more holding back from your pentacles. You are spending a lot in the month of February, guys. Okay, and you are no more sad, depressed, worried about anything. But yeah, you are spending a lot in the month of February. Okay, so be careful about your expenditures in the month of February, guys, Taurus. Okay, if you follow your present plan, what is likely to be the outcome of the situation? You need to work hard. Okay, whatever work hard you do when it comes to money related stuff, business, career, job, the amount of money which you should get or the amount of output you should get, you're not getting it. Okay, so I would suggest you go for smart work rather than hard work in the month of February. Okay, because that will yield you more money. Okay, what do you need to know about your career, relationship and health? What do you need to know about your career, relationship or health? What you need to know about your career, relationship or health? You are no more confused. You are a lot more you have gained a lot of clarity in the previous months about your career, relationship or health wise. So you are gaining a lot of clarity. You are no more confused about anything. You are gaining a lot of clarity related to either career, relationship or health wise. Okay, no more confusion. That's very good. What do you need to do to change or to improve the situation? You have to trust your intuition level. You are not trusting your intuition level. Few of the people, like 10% of the Taurus, are still confused, juggling between two choices, two options, two connections, two decisions. In the month of February, I would suggest you, whosoever is confused and didn't even got clarity yet, I would suggest you guys to trust your intuition level, because your intuition level will guide you correctly in the month of February. Okay, tell me something about your partner's feelings towards you. Oh ho ho. Okay, Taurus. So your partner wants a new beginning with you. Okay, they want to take a risk towards you. They are thinking to come towards you. If you are single, you guys might start a relationship with them, or they might approach you for a proposal or something like that. If you are already in a relationship, they want you to take you to a next journey, to a next level. They want that your relationship should start onto a next level, which is very good. Where this relationship might be going, where this relationship might be going, where this relationship might be going, where this relationship might be going. There's an unfinished business. If you're already married or into separation or something like that, then there's an unfinished karmic business which has not been completed yet. So there has to be a completion, a proper closure is needed. Endings and new beginnings are needed. Okay, a proper closure is needed, which has not yet been completed yet. Okay, so yeah, endings and new beginnings are needed for sure. What you should focus on from now onwards? What you should focus on from now onwards? What you should focus on? You need to focus on building yourself up, Taurus. Okay, you need to, if there is opportunity when it comes to a business or a partnership, okay, you need to create a foundation for yourself and for others. I think, when it comes to a teamwork, if you are, working, and I would suggest you need to focus on yourself more and on your self love, self care more. Also, you need to focus on the partnership. If you have a partnership business, if you are, thinking of doing a partnership with someone, you need to focus on that, because that will give you more results, good results they'll be giving. Okay, if you are working with 2 or 3 people, then you should, uh, avoid it. I would suggest you release the third party situation. Only partnership will work, but partnership also will include only 2 people, not more than 2 people. Okay, so that I would suggest you. But also one more thing, try to focus on creating the foundation for yourself. Self love and self care should be your utmost priority in the month of February, guys. Okay, what are your hopes and fears? 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 Yeah, there are a lot of fights happening around you, verbal or physical fights, or mental fights, or within yourself. You're fighting within yourself, between head and heart. A lot of fights are happening. So move away from a situation, okay? So I would suggest you move away from fights, problems, verbal fights, issues, whatever it's. Just move away, okay? Focus on yourself. Self love and self care should be your utmost priority in the month of February, guys. What will be the likely outcome for this month? For the month of February, likely outcome for Taurus. Likely outcome. Yes. Uh, you are thinking of travel, relocating, shifting to somewhere, a new place. If you are thinking it, do it, okay? But there is a blockage in the month of February. So if you are thinking in February, it might take it at least June, July, or August for your relocation, okay? So yeah, there is an energy of traveling which has been blocked. Universal blockage is there, Taurus. So yeah. But I would also suggest that you are manifesting the traveling or relocation or shifting thing, okay, which is very good. What does the spirits wants to guide you with? A message from spirits. A message from spirits. Taurus, I would suggest you go for independent spiritual energy. Uh, there's a lot of abundance waiting for you in the month of in the upcoming months. So universe and the spirits both want to guide you. That there's an you are going to be independent financially. Okay, you will have your own independent life in the upcoming months. Okay, so maybe 9 months from now. So universe is guiding you towards it. So go with the flow, because universe is helping you somewhere or the other financially to improve yourself, which is very good, guys. Okay, I'm loving it. What are the energies from the different deck? Yeah, endings and new beginnings. Something is ending, something is starting. That is what I said over here as well, here as well. Karmic lessons, unfinished business needs to be completed, okay, for few of you. If that is not completed, it will come again in full circle, okay. So yeah, karmic lessons are being learned, or are it's still on a learning phase, okay. You feel exhausted sometimes. There's a wish fulfillment you want which is not happening right now, so you feel exhausted. A lot of fightings are going on around you, okay, or else within yourself. So just do not fight related to it. You feel exhausted, and a lot of fights are happening, that I'm getting, okay, for few of you. Trust your inner voice, trust your intuition level in the month of February, guys. I'm telling you, trust your intuition level. And you're juggling between two choices, two options, two decisions, and two connections still. So release those confusions. Whosoever is still confused, I would suggest, do not get confused anymore, okay. Taurus, I would suggest you. Okay, what are the universal messages for you guys for the month of February 2021? Universal message. Okay, I surrender to a power of universe greater than me. Okay, so you are surrendering, just surrender to yourself to the universe, because just go with the flow. Whatever is happening, it's on God's demand, it's on universal demand, not your demand. Okay, so yeah, you cannot control it, so why not go with the flow? That is what I see. Okay, because nothing will be in your hands, it will be all universal plan, whatever is happening. Okay, so yeah, the second message from universe is, the moment I embrace my peace within me and surrender the outcome is the moment that the universe can truly get to work. Guys, I'm telling you again and again, this message I'm getting for you guys in the month of February: surrender to the universe. Whatever you're going through, do not think why it's happening. Just go with the flow and just trust the magic of the universe, because universe is guiding you to the correct path and the right path. Okay, the third universal message. Okay, there are a lot of messages, but I'm just going to take one more. Oh my god. Okay, my energy creates my reality, what I focus on is what I'll manifest. So just manifest good things, just think positive. Even if you feel negative, think about positivity. Okay, because I just see that you have to surrender to the universe, because God has something big for you in the upcoming months for you. Okay, trust the magic of universe. I'm telling you, just go with the flow right now. Even if something negative is happening, do not question why it is happening, because that's the universe plan. Okay, for you, because after every negative things, there's some good positive things is about to come for you guys. Okay, and I'm very sure, pretty sure about it. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this reading, I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, and kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Bye bye, take care.